Your automatic transmission is acting completely erratic, slamming into gears with a terrifying clunk, violently slipping when you try to accelerate, or refusing to shift out of second gear entirely. If your scanner spits out a code P2818, your powertrain control module has detected that pressure control solenoid H is physically or hydraulically stuck in the on position. Here on Mon Total, we know that transmission problems are a massive headache, but understanding the valve body is the key to fixing them. Inside your transmission sits a complex aluminum maze of hydraulic fluid passages. To physically squeeze the clutch packs together and change gears, the main computer sends electrical power to small magnetic valves called pressure control solenoids. These solenoids precisely open and close to route that high-pressure fluid exactly where it needs to go. If the computer cuts power to solenoid H, expecting it to close and release the fluid pressure, but the speed sensors show the transmission is still locked in that gear, it realizes the solenoid is stuck wide open. To prevent the transmission from literally tearing its internal planetary gears to shreds by trying to engage two gears at once, the computer instantly forces the vehicle into a harsh limp mode. Because this code points to a mechanical or hydraulic failure of the solenoid rather than just an electrical short, the absolute first thing you must check is the condition of your transmission fluid. If your fluid is significantly low, or if it looks like dark, gritty syrup instead of a clear red liquid, heavy metallic debris is likely physically jamming the tiny plunger inside the solenoid valve. A severe fluid contamination issue means you might need a complete transmission flush or even a rebuild. If the fluid looks perfectly clean, you are going to have to drop the transmission oil pan to access the valve body. You can try to remove solenoid H and clean the microscopic screens on it, but usually, when a pressure control solenoid gets physically stuck wide open, the internal return spring is broken or the valve is heavily scored, meaning you will need to bolt in a brand new solenoid to get your smooth shifting back.